Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So I just come back with another video after a very long time, something like 2 or 3 months. So back with another video, guys. So in this video, I'm just going to explain you that what is AWS and how AWS works and what is AWS stand for. Actually, Amazon Web Services is called into the low version is the AWS. And what is AWS actually? AWS is provide a lot of different kind of services that they have a big list of services, something like web hosting, BPS, artificial intelligence, and lot of other VR services and lot of other services. And this is really great place to start your company, your products, or if you want to start a Amazon something like a mobile application, so you want to find a very good hosting or very speedy server to host your app so user get a better experience with your app. So Amazon AWS is definitely the place you're looking for. So in this video, I'm just going to try to explain as much as I can that what is AWS and how AWS is stand for. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before you start, make sure you subscribe my channel and also like the video and also share the video whatever you prefer, and let your friends and let them know that there is a very great channel that providing very great content. Alright, so now what is AWS? I think you already hear about the Microsoft Azure or Alibaba Cloud, and this is the same things, but Amazon is providing more and more services and more support, optimizable, utilizable, scalable, and a lot of other full of benefits. So this is really amazing and this is really fantastic to use. So I already use a trial account here, and actually this is really using so better, and I have a really good experience with this. And there's a few things you can do with such as you have a very big website. There's a you receiving a lot of traffic. You have mobile app, and there's a you have a very big user base. So what you can do, you can host with Amazon, and you can really get so much so much reliability. So what I'm going to tell you that why using Amazon, because you can find a cheaper option than Amazon. So then why you can use this? Actually, you can use Amazon for free. They are providing 12 months of the trial account, but actually you can use more and more for free. So I'll show you another video into step by step that how actually I got a $10,000 credited threshold, or it's a pre-credited account, so I can pay the bill from the credit that Amazon provide me. So I'll show you each and everything that how exactly I get it and how exactly you can get this. So let me log in into my Amazon associate dashboard. Sorry, Amazon web services dashboard. I'm really sorry, I just came every time that Amazon associate, because Amazon associate I did the affiliate marketing with the Amazon associate, so every time I speak it's come that Amazon associate. So let me log in the Amazon AWS services dashboard. So as you can see here, I have already logged in my AWS dashboard here, and you can see there is a pretty if you're not familiar with this dashboard kind of like things, it will be feels you like so irritated, because this kind of things is actually nobody's can get this into easy. So as you can see here, I have my dashboard here, and I have a lot of services here. You can see mainly where I'm using the Amazon is for ec2 VPS. Actually this VPS is working pretty better and pretty nice, and they are providing trial for 12 months, so you don't have to worry about this. You can get as many as VPS as you can, but you have to pay. But if you use a 1 GB RAM 1 core VPS, then you can use it completely free for 12 months. So this is really pretty amazing. So there's a few services you can check out here. So you can see there's many other services here. There's a all service list you can check out here, and there's it's a different bunch of service. You can check it out, man, because it's really amazing, because you can there's another thing that I already say is that you have to understand many technical things, but if you get some credit from Amazon, it's a pre-credit account, then absolutely you can use it without any hesitation, because if you support, if you email them, if you submit a ticket into support, so they will Amazon representative is going to be solve all of your problems, so you don't have to worry about this. So you can check out the services. Actually, there's a lot of services. I don't have any knowledge about this because a lot of other services here I don't even hear about this, but I actually use a few services here, and which is working pretty nice. So I'm just going to show you that how exactly you can create a VPS from Amazon. So as you can see here, I have my VPS here. You can change the origin from here, something like if you want to go through it, Ohio, Northern California, origin, and a lot of other Asia Pacific, Europe, Frankfurt, Germany, Ireland, London, Milan, Paris, Spain, and a lot of others. A region if you want to go whatever you go. So the main thing is that you can change. There's a other region also, but but this account is not showing the all, because you have to apply for this region and they will approve and they will get you access to this region. So this is pretty easy, and you have to just discuss with the Amazon support staff and they will give you access. But for this basic video, I'm just going to show you that how you can create a VPS into the Northern Virginia region. So I'm just going to click here, and instance is running here. You can see there's no instance running, so I'm just clicking the launch instance here, and I'm just going to, all right, so it's a so as you can see here, so give it a name. So let's say you can put any other name here. So I'm just going to name my first VPS here, and you can just put any kind of any OS that whatever you prefer. So as you can see here, I have there's a list of popular OS here that everybody use: Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, SUSE Linux, and a lot of other Mac OS. You can even launch a Mac OS, which is absolutely fantastic, I can say. So let me show you that how I create a VPS with a Windows. So I'm just selecting here the Windows and click the confirm change, and here you can see the Windows 19 is a free tier eligible. That means you can use this for a 12 month without paying any single dime. And for Ubuntu, Red Hat, SUSE Linux, this all are open source, so you don't have to pay anything for this. But for now, I'm just going to select this option here. You can see this servers 22, 26, and 26 base with containers, which is all our Windows server, and actually the server is absolutely free for use, so you can use this without any kind of paying. So as you can see here, I'm just starting with the 26 actually, because if you not select the lower version, because this free tier comes with only 1 GB RAM, so this is going to be slow down your server. So you have to just understand that what OS is actually survive this 1 GB RAM actually. So as you can see here, I'm just select here. Okay, so here you can see it's selected the 26 Windows server, and they're the main things here. You can see this one is only 500 megabytes of RAM, and one is 1 GB of RAM. So this is actually what you can use for 12 months, and none of other VPS that you can actually launch, because if you launch this, let's say this one is actually, if you launch let's say, okay, no problem. So let me go through. So let's say you want to launch this 8 GB RAM and 2 core VPS, then it will launch with smoothly, there's no problem. But you have to pay, because it will generate the bill and it will cut the dollar from your card, so be careful. So here you can see I'm just selecting the T1 micro here, so I'm just selecting the micro here, and you can see the key pair. Key pair is something like they are just providing every time you access the server, they will provide a unique alphanumeric password that actually log in for the VPS. So this is absolutely fantastic for security, for secure servers. So you have to do this. So here you can see they are just asking the key pair name. So there's no key pair since I'm just going to create a new one. So you have to just click here to create a new key pair and give it a name, something like, I'm just going to name it here something like trial new, and create a key pair. So it will going to be download, and it will save a .pem file. Don't need to worry about this because I'll show you that how exactly you can decrypt the password from it. So there's a few things you can check it out. Here is allow HTTPS traffic, HTTP traffic, and also everything is set it. And here you can see this another one is something like a 30 GB of the it's a SSD here. That means the storage, actually you can increase it, but if you increase it, it will generate the bills. So you can see this clearly mentioned that here is a free tier eligible customer for can get up to 30 GB of the EBS general purpose SSD, which is absolutely fantastic. So not more than, actually the 30 GB is pretty big enough, I think. So I'm just going to click the launch instance. So once you click the launch instance, it will going through and it will launch instant here. So you can see the successfully initiated the launch, and you can click here to view the instance. Alright guys, so you have to wait something like 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Actually this VPS is going to be ready. So after the finish the initial setup, we can actually connect this VPS actually from this dashboard, or we need to download the RDP. So I'll show you that how exactly you can do this. So let's wait for the 5 minutes. Here is actually getting ready. Here you can see this green nice text here is running and 2.2 check pass. So when your VPS get 2.2 check pass, that means it's ready to use. So I'm just going to click here, select it, and click here to connect. So you have to just, here is season manager, you just ignore it, you just go through this RDP client, and just there is a one warning about the port. You don't need actually this port because this port is doesn't work so pretty much well. So I'm just closing it up here, and you have to download this the RDP files. Here you can see I name my file for my first VPS. It's come with this. So click the get password, and also at 4 minutes launching. Okay, it need more 4 minutes, so let's wait for the more 4 minutes here. So I'll get you back in the 4 minutes. So guys, as you can see here, I have waited for 4 minutes here. So let's try to connect this VPS here. So as you can see here, I'm just getting again the RDP client and click get the password. So when you click the get the password, so as you can see here, you remember this, I just created a key pair with the trial new. So I need to browse this. So I'm just clicking the browse here. I'm just selecting my trial new key here, and I'm just open here and click the decrypt the password. So when you click the decrypt the password, and here you can see you have a big alphanumeric password that impossible to break out. So I'm just clicking here and I'm just opening my okay guys, so as you can see here, I have generated the password already. So it's time to open the RDP file. So let's open the RDP file. So as you can see, I opened the RDP file here, and it's asking me for password. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this password and paste it here, and remember me, and okay. So it will open my VPS. So it will ask for the certificate that they provide, it whether you allow it or not. So I'm just going to allow it, and don't ask me for this computer again. So once I click yes, and it will going to open the main RDP. So guys, this is how it works and how exactly you can create a VPS that is actually working and likely into the Windows OS, or whether you can, if you want to build a web server, then you can actually use the AWS Linux server. So you can install the Linux server, and then you can install the cPanel or whatever you want to use a free panel to use this for it. So guys, this is how it works. So as you can see here, it's loading. So once it's loading, you can initially use this VPS for your needs. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and also like the video, and also don't forget to share this video wherever you want to prefer. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.